Hey everyone, this is Apollonia. I want to thank you all for tuning in today. Today I'm going to be doing a Flexi Rod set, so if you want to see how I achieved these big, juicy, luscious curls, just stay tuned. So since my last hair tutorial, I have made some changes. I went to the salon to have my hair professionally colored. So as you can see, there are some highlights throughout my hair. I was really just looking for a change, something new to switch up my style and my hair look. But I also noticed that after I got my hair colored, my hair has been really dry. So something that I have been using to prep my hair before shampooing and conditioning is the Naturall Club Jamaican Black Castor Oil with Lemon Growth Serum. So this is what the bottle looks like. The bottle is about 4 ounces and the ingredients that it has inside of it is, of course, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It also has lemon essential oil, and that's really to mask the scent of Jamaican Black Castor Oil because that can be really strong. It also adds shine. There's vitamin E and there's also jojoba oil. So those oils are added to add moisture and also to repair the hair. Of course, what I love about the Naturall Club products is that they're all natural. They don't have any added chemicals or toxic ingredients in them. So I know that since my hair is now colored, my hair and my color will be protected. So the way that I apply this product is I usually part my hair into 4 sections. And then what I do is I apply it to the roots of the hair and then evenly distribute it from the root to the ends. I comb it through and then I put a few twists in my hair and I tie it up overnight and just sleep with it so that my hair is prepped in the morning when I'm ready to shampoo. So I have already went ahead and shampooed and conditioned my hair using the Naturall Club shampoo and conditioner. And then I followed up by using the dry hair solution deep conditioner. This is my first time using this solution. I usually use the damaged hair solution or the aloe vera sensitive scalp solution. Now that I've had this deep conditioner in my hair for a little bit, I'm gonna go rinse it out and then I'm gonna start to prep for styling. So today to style my hair, I'm gonna be using Flexi Rods. So I purchased 2 different sizes. The first size, which I bought 3 packs of, are the 10-inch Flexi Rods, and I got these from Target. I think they're about maybe $8 each. And these are 11 by 16 in diameter. And these I use the most because my hair is longer in length in the back. The second size that I purchased is from Rite Aid. And these are the Conair Flexi Rods. They're about 7 inches. I use these in the front of my hair since the front is a little bit shorter than the back. Now I'm going to be applying my Naturall Club leave-in conditioner. So I have the front part of my hair separated because this is where my hair is a little shorter than the back. I just want to make sure that the leave-in conditioner is evenly distributed. So what I'm going to be doing today is recreating a look that I did last year, where I had the front of my hair in shorter spiral curls to make it look like I had a bang. And I never got a chance to film my Flexi Rod set because this was before I actually started doing YouTube. So I don't have a video of it, so I decided that I wanted to recreate the look and see how it would look now that my hair has some color to it. And even though I love the way that the Flexi Rod set looks, it's not something that I do too often. I think this will probably be my 3rd time doing it because it takes really long. It also takes about 4 to 5 hours to dry. So this is something that I really have to clear my entire day to do. So now I'm going ahead and applying my avocado oil all over my hair. This is to lock in that moisture and to also add shine to my hair. So I already have the front of my hair separated to where I want the shorter Flexi Rods to be. And to style today, I'm going to be using my Jane Carter Wrap and Roll Mousse. So what I'm going to do is show you how I apply the front rollers, and then I'm going to go ahead off screen and do the back. So I'm going to use maybe about 2 pumps for the front and just evenly distribute that from the root all the way to the ends of the hair. Then I'm going to take my Denman brush and just brush that through. Now I'm going to separate my hair into 3 sections to start applying the Flexi Rods. Flexi Rods can be applied in 2 ways. Here I start by applying the Flexi Rod to the end of my hair, making sure that the hair is smooth and secure before I slowly start to roll the Flexi Rod upward. I try to make sure that the hair stays smooth throughout so that the hair doesn't come loose, and once reaching the scalp, you make sure that the hair is tight enough and then fold over the ends so that the hair stays in place. The second way to apply Flexi Rods is starting from the root of the hair. You start with the Flexi Rod at the base of your hair and then slowly start to wrap the hair around the rod, making sure that the hair stays smooth and secure all the way throughout. Now it's time to move on to the second side of my hair. I'm going to start by applying 2 pumps of the Jane Carter Wrap and Roll Mousse from the roots all the way to the tips of my hair. Then I take my Denman brush and slowly start to brush the product through, making sure that it's evenly distributed. I am repeating the same steps on this side, starting by separating the hair into 3 sections to get ready to apply the Flexi Rods. I'm starting at the root of the hair and slowly starting to wrap the hair around the Flexi Rod, making sure that the hair stays smooth and secure all the way down. Now that I've shown you how it's done, I'm gonna go off screen to complete the back. Alright, so I'm back now with the Flexi Rods fully installed in my hair. Now the next thing to do is just wait until everything is dry. Hey everyone, I'm back. It is the next day and I'm really annoyed because I had to sleep with the Flexi Rods in my hair, which I initially did not want to do. I was gonna take them out last night, but then when I started feeling up on the ones at the top here, I realized that they were still damp, so I ended up having to sleep with them. I slept like literally on my face, so now I'm ready to take them out. Let's do this. So what I'm gonna do is start by applying some of the Naturall Club avocado oil right to my fingertips. And I'm just gonna start unrolling the Flexi Rod set. So you can see how springy and full and juicy those curls look. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna separate them all. So they are officially out of my head. I'm just gonna shake it up a little bit. Feels so good to not have those things in my head anymore. Oh my goodness, you have no idea how annoying it is to sleep with Flexi Rods. So now it's time to separate the curls. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the avocado oil to my fingertips. So really all I'm doing is taking little pieces of the bigger curls and then I'm going around and just wrapping them around my finger, but in the same direction that they are curled in already, just to smooth it out a little bit and so that they keep their springy form. So just I'm smoothing it out because there's oil on my fingers, and then going ahead and wrapping it around my finger. Just doing a little twist so that it stays bouncy. This is another one, a really big curl. I'm gonna separate it into a smaller piece, smooth it out, wrap it around my finger. And now that I'm finished separating, what I like to do is take my pick, like I said, and kind of just fluff it up, give it a little bit of volume. So what I do is I take the pick underneath the hair and lift it. And then I go to the top. Lift the roots a little bit. I do the same for this side. Going under, lifting it. So this is the final look. I want to thank you all so much for tuning in and watching today. And until next time, bye.